Hello everyone. What is that you look forward to in a budget? Is it the economic reforms? Is it the tax updates? Or is it the relief given there? Do you know what I look forward to in a budget? Let me show it to you all here. I look forward to the memes. The most hilarious of memes around the corner this time. So why not take a look at a few of them? Here they talk about more of taxes and less of food, tax slab, and of course, when the budget speech is going on, you definitely need sometimes a translator. So let me tell you what happened in the budget this time. Finance Minister Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman has given her budget, and surprisingly, the basic exemption slabs of the individual have changed drastically. What you're seeing right now are the existing slabs. Let me share with you what has happened here. Please note, there is no change under the regular tax regime. This is the same as per the existing ones. There are no changes here. The change is only happening under the default tax regime, the new tax regime, or what we also call taxation under section 115 back. So what has happened here? Up to rupees 4 lakhs, it is nil. 4 lakhs to 8 lakhs, it is 5%. 8 lakhs to 12 lakhs, it is 10%. 12 to 16, it is 15%. 16 to 20, it is 20%. 20 to 24, it is 25%. And above 24 lakhs, it is 30%. In the existing, we had it above 15 lakhs at 30%. Now, we have it above 24 lakhs. Also, please note that these rates do not substitute the fixed rates of capital gains and other income. They are the general basic rates. There are certain examples also given in the budget speech with regard to the savings that everyone would be making in their income. Please note, these are excluding the education cess. So this is given as to how much everyone would save in each of these slabs. However, there is one confusion which is always there. Some of you are thinking that income tax is exempt up to rupees 12 lakhs. Is it correct? Well, partially. Let's understand this even better. If the taxable income is up to rupees 12 lakhs, if the taxable income is up to rupees 12 lakhs, only then whatever tax you have shall be exempt or it would not be taxable. If the income is above 12 lakhs, then the entire thing would be subject to tax based on the slabs we just discussed. 4 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 16 lakhs and so on. So a question arises, is this something new introduced in the budget? No. Rebate was always there. Earlier it was 7 lakhs. This budget has enhanced it to 12 lakhs. So if anyone is having income up to 12 lakhs, no tax for them. Yes, you got that right. No tax to them. But if their income exceeds rupees 12 lakhs, it shall be subject to tax based on slabs. However, there are certain marginal rebates available to those whose income shall be in the border of 12 lakhs. There are certain other amendments in TDS and TCS areas also. Let's quickly take a look at them. In case of interest payments made to senior citizen, TDS deduction under section 194A. Here the threshold has been increased to rupees 1 lakh from the existing 50,000. Also, in the case of rent, TDS deductions under section 194I, even here the threshold has been increased from the existing 2,40,000 to 6 lakhs. Please note, the rates are the same, only the thresholds have been increased here. We also have TCS, tax collection at source, on foreign remittances. Here also the threshold has been increased to 10 lakhs from the existing 7 lakhs. If there is any kind of remittance made under the LRS scheme of RBI, the threshold now is 10 lakhs. However, if the purpose is for education and if the money is taken from a loan from a specified financial institution, no TCS shall be applicable even then. There had been a lot of confusion with regard to TDS and TCS on purchase of goods and sale of goods. Thankfully, this budget has made things a lot more clear. They now have no TCS on sale of goods. Let's take a look at few other areas. Last couple of years ago, they had introduced updated returns concept where any assessee could file updated returns for 2 years even if the time limit has been completed. This 2 years in the budget has now been extended to 4 years. If anyone is withdrawing from NSS, National Savings Scheme, and Vatsalya NPS, National Pension Scheme, the entire amount would be exempt for them. Also, the appeals and the procedure of appeals have now started getting into the digitization mode. Tonnage tax scheme, which was only available for sea-going ships, had now been extended to even the inland vessels also. There are a couple of things even for charitable institution. The registration period, which was given earlier for 5 years, will now be given for 10 years. Another thing is, if the application comes up with certain minor defaults like incomplete application, she has urged them to be relaxed and give them certain relaxation and not to take up stringent measures as were taken up earlier. So I'm sure charitable institution will be in a better space now. The biggest surprise of the budget was a new bill coming up in the next week. What has she spoken about the bill? She promises that the section's provisions would become half. It would become simpler, not just for the taxpayer, even for the tax administrator. So let us wait for the new Income Tax Act or the Direct Tax Act of 2025. Thank you for watching.